Hello, we have a full week of school, which means we have a spelling test. On Mondays, we're all going to take the pretest on the Reading Horizon skill because we want to make sure that everybody knows these skills. And then that will help me determine if you should work on the Reading Horizon skills or if you should work on something else. So we're all going to take this pretest. You need to do your very best on this pretest and try your very hardest. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do before you start is put your name. Try to use that fence line to do your nicest handwriting on your name. And then you would put the date. So you'll put your name and the date, and then this is spelling test lesson 3. So even though we've been doing spelling lots of weeks in our skills, it's our third skill because first we tested on marking vowels. Last week we tested on marking our blends and our plurals, and this week we're going to work on marking special vowel combinations. So this is our third skill we're working on, so that's why it's week 3. You'll write your 5 words here where it says 1 through 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where your 5 words will go. Don't write X's because that's not your word. We don't need to worry about this middle column yet. We're going to start working on that and you'll start using that next week. If you want to look at your skill words and make any corrections, that would be good. And then right here on number 1, we're going to do a dictation sentence to practice writing our dictation. We want capitals and periods. We want our words spelled correctly. We don't need to mark in sentences. So just let me know if you need practice on that. Okay, the first word that I want you to write in this space right here, I want you to write the word tall. Giraffes can grow tall, giraffes can grow up to be 18 feet tall. Giraffes can grow up to be 18 feet tall. You'll write the word tall on number 1, and you'll also mark that word. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can back up the video or hit pause. Okay, number 2 right here. Number 2, you're going to write pull. Pull on the handle to open the door. Pull. Number 3, we're going to write trunk. Trunk. An elephant trunk can lift more than 700 pounds. Trunk. Number 5 is hang. Hang your coat on the rack. Hang. Number 5 is hang. Oh, 4. Sorry, that was number 4. 4 is hang. So number 1, you should have tall. 2, you should have pull. 3, you should have trunk. 4, you should have hang. And now 5, we're on number 5, write sank. The rock sank to the bottom of the pond. Okay, go ahead and check all those words. Make sure you have all the letters that you need in those words and make sure that you mark those words. Then make any corrections that you need to make. Make any corrections. Okay, now we're going to do the dictation sentence. Remember, if you're not ready, if you're still checking your words, just hit pause, or you can go back and listen to any of your words again. Okay, your dictation sentence this week is, the sad troll sat on the bank of the pond and sang. Your sad troll sat on the bank of the pond and sang. Listen closely. The sad troll sat on the bank of the pond and sang. Okay, back it up and listen to it again if you need to. Double check everything. Good luck on spelling pretest number 3.